Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up, drinking my iced coffee, having a muffin, and as you can see, not the cheesy balls. I got an Amazon package that I didn't do an unboxing of, but immediately when I unboxed it, it broke, snapped like a twig immediately. Supposedly it's a watch case for my Apple Watch Series 7 I bought. I should have got the one at Best Buy that was rubber. This ain't even rubber, this is like a plastic. But it claims that it does 360 shockproof, shatter resistance, I don't know about that, and high quality. Ugh. Anyways, let's get with the star of the show. The one everyone's been waiting for. It's right here. Oh, okay. I guess that's free packaging. Ah, yeah. The iPhone, baby. Special edition, I guess. Because I've seen so many iPhone unboxings. I've never seen this one before. Oh, look. Is it open? Better not be open. This is the most incredible iPhone I've ever seen in my life. Sorry if I'm still talking like this, but I'm still half asleep. Okay, nothing here. Has a little slip here. Put this iPhone to the side. We get your usual SIM ejection tools, Apple stickers, warranty guide, and what cable is this? USB-C to Lightning. Apple does not include a power brick. This is the 13 Pro, by the way. It says includes iPhone 13 Pro and USB-C to Lightning cable, power adapter, and headphones sold separately. Yep. Midnight Sierra Blue. Wow. Look how shiny the glare of the camera looks. Spectacular. I don't know anything about iPhones, but I'm guessing that this must be some type of, whatever it is you guys tell me, put it on the description below. This must be, I guess, a button for turning on and off, I guess. Airplane mode or something. This is the volume rocker, I'm guessing. This is the power button over here because it tells you. Okay, yeah, it tells you what they are. There's the meanings. And I'm guessing this iPhone does not have headphone jack. How sad. There is the lightning port. Wow, I think I just scratched it. You see it right there, you can barely see it, but damn, it's frosted. Other than that, I guess I better charge it. Let's go real quick to my room and see if it charges via the wireless charger that I got from Anchor 2 days ago. Not doing nothing. I guess not. And well, guys, this is the 128 gigs, if I'm not mistaken, with the new Apple chip. I guess I'm gonna have to find an Anchor wireless charger for the iPhone. If you guys know any from Anchor or Morphe, let me know in the description down below, and I'll purchase it right away, because this is not wanting to charge. Oh, it's not wanting to charge because it's not connected. I'm being silly. Let me see. Okay, now it's charging. Look at that. My Anchor charger was down here. Look at that, boys. Hello. Anyways, guys, it's charging, so yeah. Thanks for watching this beautiful unboxing on my special edition iPhone 13 Pro. I'll see you on the next unboxing episode. If I get another charger or a MagnaSafe or something from Anchor, which I found out they're really good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.